Everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add water reflection effect on CapCut apps. Now let's get started. First, after you open your CapCut apps and add the video that you want to edit, you just click on the effect at the bottom. And after this, you can click on the video effect. And then at the menu, you can click on the shadow. And then at the shadow, you can see water reflection. This one. This is the newest template on a CapCut. So you just click on it. And after this, you can click check icon in here. Now you can adjust the effect, so you can click on the adjust at the bottom. You can adjust for the speed, for the size, and then for the color. And the last, you can change the distort. And after this, you can click on the check icon at the bottom. And you can set the effect until the end of the video. And finish. So that's how to add water reflection effect on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.